Welcome the our channel. Today we how to restore Fire Stick with remote not pairing issues step by step clearly. To restore your Fire Stick when the remote isn't pairing, begin by unplugging the Fire Stick from the HDMI port and the power source. Wait for about 30 seconds to let the device completely reset. Plug the Fire Stick back into the HDMI port and reconnect the power source. Next, ensure your remote has fresh batteries installed. After that, press and hold the home button on the remote for about 10 seconds. This action will initiate the pairing process. If the remote doesn't pair, unplug the Fire Stick again while keeping the remote close. Wait for another 30 seconds before plugging the Fire Stick back in. Once the Fire Stick is powered on, press and hold the home button again for 10 seconds. If successful, the remote will pair automatically. If the remote still does not pair, you may need to reset the remote. To reset, press and hold the back and menu buttons together for about 10 seconds. Release the buttons and then press the home button again for 10 seconds. Now, try pairing the remote again as previously instructed. If issues persist, consider using the Fire TV app on your smartphone as an alternative remote. Download the app from your device's app store and connect it to the same Wi-Fi network as your Fire Stick. Open the app and select your Fire Stick from the list of devices. Use the app to navigate to the settings menu on your Fire Stick. From there, you can manage devices and try to pair the remote again. For further troubleshooting, you may need to perform a factory reset on your Fire Stick. To do this, go to Settings, select My Fire TV, and choose Reset to Factory Defaults. Confirm the reset and wait for the device to restart. You will need to set up your Fire Stick again after the reset. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup process and attempt to pair the remote once more. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.